Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Look what we've got here. We've got some tostadas, yeah? We have some tortillas, meat, pico de gallo, and white cheese. So, for it's gonna be very easy. We're gonna saute some basic veggies, onion, garlic, carrots, celery, and red bell pepper. Just very easy. We're gonna saute, and after that, we are gonna bring some meat on it, ground meat, and we're gonna season it, and then later on we're gonna add some sauce, and it will be our our meat for this dish. Yeah, just like that, basic. So once our veggies are just done, we're gonna add some ground meat here. Just make it together with your veggies, and after that, we're gonna add some paprika, oregano, and salt. Yeah, just look. Yeah, paprika, oregano, salt, and pepper. Yeah, just make it together. Check the taste. If it's too salty, you don't want it too salty. Yeah, you want a little bit, and then you can always add salt at the end. It's important for you to not over salt it at the beginning, otherwise you're gonna screw your dish. Yeah, then you have to buy more meat and add more meat, more bacon, make it bigger, and that's what you don't want to. Yeah, so just mix all together, and let's go to the next step now, where we're adding some this taco sauce. I'm using non-spicy because I thought my daughter will eat, but she didn't. So, but you can also, of course, use the spicy one, which is a little bit this spicy touch make it more interesting, in my opinion. Yeah. So we are just so far with meat. Just let it cook a little bit, like make all together, and just like that, cool down, and we're ready to next step. In a baking tray, we're gonna add some oil. We're gonna place our tortillas on it, and we're also add some oil on top of our tortillas, and we're just gonna bake it that they get crunchy and hard. Yeah. On the other side, we're gonna make a pico de gallo. We're gonna chop tomato. We're gonna chop red onion. We're gonna squeeze use lemon juice. Yeah, we are gonna chop some coriander, fresh coriander, just like that. Look, yeah, easy, fresh coriander. It's always fresh, and herbs needs to be cut just before we are making it. Otherwise, they will get dark, black, and it's not the idea. And the aroma of these herbs is fresh, is just very important, very nice. So we're gonna finish it with some avocado, just like that. We're gonna cut it into half, and then we are gonna just cut it like this with a knife. Small pieces we're gonna take off it, and to our main dish. Yeah, with a spoon we're gonna remove it, and so far we are almost done. We're gonna season it with some pepper, with a little bit of salt, and olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, just like that. The other half of avocado, speedy one. And after, we're just gonna make it together, taste it, and check the flavors. If you need some more salt, more sugar, you can add a little bit of vinegar as well if the lemon didn't bring the acidity you like to. Remember, don't add too much lemon or too much vinegar, just because you don't want too much water on it. Otherwise, your tortillas will fall down, fall apart, break. And it's gonna just the right amount, and that's it. So after our tortillas are look, they're all baked, basically. We are just gonna do some layers: tortilla, meat, pico de gallo, and some white Venezuelan cheese. You can of course add a sauce, a spicy sauce, a green sauce. Yeah, it's up to you a little bit, but I hope you like it. So look, so far it's very easy. We ate a lot of them, and they were very, very, very delicious. So I hope you like it, everyone. If you are so far until here, leave your comment in the comment box, leave your thumb up for your like, subscribe to the channel, and remember there are several videos that where you can have some ideas to cook over the weekend. I hope you like it. As I said, thank you very much and enjoy the journey. Look, take care, everyone. Cheers.